Next. And
what is your name?
my name is the Mike Tumumu.
The Mike Tumumu.
Yes, sir.
Hey, the Mike Tumumu. Hey, the Mike Tumumu. Just the Mumu they go hell.
Sir?
The Mumu they go hell now.
Sir, what of
The Mumu they go hell.
I will not go heaven to be Mumu.
Wow. People where they go hell don't plenty.
Not be juju be that.
If you say these people like to deceive too much.
Could have to be Mumu.
Who opened door for you?
I be officer of the law and nobody feel stop me.
Think say they
What thing we
wise.
talk now we they do. I want to see 2021.
You want to see 2021?
I want to see them because what we see for this past 2020, I don't like her. I want to see 2021.
Well, 2021 is going to be a good year. It's going to be a year of happiness.
That's so una tell us so.
You know, say waiting key 2020 be say una too overhype.
Okay.
But no worry, all those things will happen for 2020 no go happen again. 2021 is a year of happiness. It's a year of joy. It's a year of favor and everything. You understand? So Mona no go overhype am again. So that what happen no go happen.
So 2021, no corona,
No corona,
no NSAS,
no anything.
no
anything.
May we leave police brutality for now.
So it is.
May we leave that one aside, that police brutality.
Okay, you know what made the end brutality?
That one
Think say
there
they
was
wise.
you there? So you go good.
You go good. You
My
go
God, my God, tell them say.
Where you dey go?
I go tell them say you say 2020 go, 2021 go good.
You don't know say if you enter inside that place, say you know the pick come out again. Say if you enter straight, say na judgment. You don't know.
Then I mean waka.
Now you waka enter, you don't see waka come out. And even from my record self, you don't even do any good thing wey go carry you go heaven.
Think say they wise.
Na hell you dey go.
Hey,
So and as you go be now, then you go just dey go hell, yeah.
bribe Balaputam.
They go hell.
Can't we just?
They go hell now. What thing you just want do?
I bet. What is it? I bet. Can't we? I beg.
Hey!